So hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast on AI in construction industry. So I am your host for today, Rajdeep. AI and construction industry both are growing rapidly, and this is changing how are we going to manage our projects on a daily basis. So to discuss this, we have today with us Vivek as a project manager, Rahul from site execution side, and Pratiksha from HR. So let's begin with a quick opening thought. Rahul, what does AI mean to you?
For me, AI means better control on site. Earlier, everything was done with the help of supervision, under a supervision. Nowadays, there are AI tools, AI safety measures, AI monitors. This help in increasing productivity, efficiency. This help us to act faster.
As I see, AI has a shift in how people work. It's not about just machines, it's about the changing roles, improving skills, and making the industry more inclusive and technology driven. It opens up opportunity beyond the traditional labor work.
Adding to Pratiksha's point, from the project perspective, AI is all about the smart decision making. Also, AI helps in analyze the large amount of data and predict outcomes, which were not possible in the early stage. So, planning becomes more accurate and proactive.
So that was some great points put by all of you. Now let's dive deeper into the topic. Rahul, can you tell us how AI is visible today on the site?
AI inside mostly work through camera, sensors, the monitoring tools. I can explain you the example. If labor is not working on site with the help of safety gears, the camera will detect it and inform us through notification. Also, if there is a daily monitoring report done with the help of supervisor, he write in a manual book. With the AI tools, it get automatically updated if there is an instruction given to that.
Okay. AI can connect site data with planning, so we can compare actual progress data with planning schedules in real time, so that we can identify the delays mostly in the construction site. So this improves for us coordination between site teams and office teams, that is staff. So for example, AI is a bridge in between what we plan and what we do actually on site.
And this also impacts in the workforce expectations. Today, in the construction companies, work prefer more the who comfortable with the digital tools and the data interpretation. So the skill set required in the construction companies is changing gradually.
But what I think is that earlier this experience was required, but nowadays also technology is required on the sites.
Now we can see that AI is actually coming on site. Now let's come to the implementation part. Implementation is where most of the companies struggle. Vivek, can you help us like how AI and implementation go hand in hand together?
Okay, implementation usually start with digitization. First of all, company organize their data like schedules, cost record, and site reports. Once the data is reliable to the site or industry, they can introduce to AI, make their patterns, and generate insights.
I will also explain with the example. Like nowadays, drone survey is being done. Layout planning and layout designing is also done with the help of drones, and apps are also there available. Now the government is also using satellite survey to mark the layouts. It means that we are moving towards the advance with the help of AI.
But the biggest challenge is the people adaptation. Employees are more often resist the change because they are not familiar with the technology. So that's why the training and awareness programs are important.
Okay, also the management support is critical. Without leadership pushing, adoption is impossible. So AI we can help a lot.
But in AI, their consistency has been required. Consistency means the data update on AI. It means that when we update the data on AI, it will adapt it and reflect faster.
That was some really great points put by all of you. Now let's come to the point which everyone wants to hear, the benefits and the challenges. Let's start with benefits first.
See, AI, with the help of AI, safety became the quickest improvement. For example, with the AI, the risks at very early stages detected so that accident has been prevented. The manpower is also been reduced and monitoring tools has been increased on site.
From the perspective of the project manager, planning from the project side, planning becomes more efficient. So we can control delay, schedules, optimize resource, and manage cost efficiently. So it occurs it offers more performance on the site and better quality of site.
And it improves job opportunities. Roles like DM coordinators, digital planners are growing. This also encourages women to enter into the industry.
Now let's talk about the challenges.
There are so many challenges, but high initial investment is the most barrier in the AI in the construction. So not all companies can invest too ready in the AI.
See, consistency of data upload is very important. But if wrong data is uploaded on AI, then prediction will be done wrongly.
There is always a fear of losing job. Employees needs to understand AI will support their work and not replaces it.
So before we talk about the future of AI, let's talk about what impact it is doing today. Can you all help with an example, like how AI is changing today's world?
My current site is going at Maharashtra, which is located in Pune only. So in that site, they have installed AI monitoring tools, AI safety tools. On that site, there is a camera and sensors. The camera will record the daily task which is performed on site. With the help of sensors, the safety measure has been increased because the sensor knows us that if there any accident is going to happen at very early stages. So this helps in improving the AI tools because the data is given to the AI, and also in the earlier stages that the report which made by the handler under supervision of a supervisor, which was a daily task report. Nowadays, with the help of that camera, that we see what is going on the site, we record the data and give to the software. The software updated that, and the daily task report is made with the help of that.
Okay. In one project, we can use predictive analysis for scheduling. For that system, identify delays based on the past project data and current progress. For that, we could analyze the data and stop in early stage what the actions will be taken for that.
From an HR side, we use the digital tools for training people. Instead of the traditional methods, we use a simple database apps for simple learning. It improves the skills faster and made employees more confident in using the technology.
That was some great points put by all of you. Now to end this conversation, let us focus more on future of AI in the construction industry. Okay.
In the future, project will become a more data driven. So AI will help us predict risk, overall schedules, and smart decision making, so that it becomes a standard form of the contract.
From execution side, safety and quality is the most important. I've explained about the quality and the safety also. With the help of AI, everything is being done at very early stages so that risks get minimized. This is the most important thing which AI is doing at construction sites.
From the workforce perspective, industry will become a more inclusive. There will be opportunities for the skilled professionals in technological roles. Learning and adaptability will be the key.
So just to summarize the whole conversation from Rahul, that is the site execution point of view, we understand that quality and safety are the 2 points that you have highlighted throughout the conversation. From HR, I think that training and awareness might be the 2 points that you are trying to highlight. And from Vivek, that is the project management side, decision and outcomes are the 2 points that you are trying to highlight. So can you all help now for the audience to understand? Just give one line takeaway for the audience to take home.
Okay. From my point of view, we have to take decision like that. Their outcome will be more efficient for the construction.
AI construction is more efficient.
AI transforms people and opportunities.
So to end this podcast, I would like to say that AI is not just shaping the future, it is shaping today. We are not just constructing buildings, we are constructing intelligence. I would like to thank the whole panel for joining, and to our subscribers and viewers, do like, share and subscribe for more podcasts like these.